Hi, I'm Misha from the West Island of Quebec, and I was one of the Inspirations contest winners that Learn Quebec hosted, which sends participants like me on a trip to Ottawa in a theme week of your choice for a week. And I just wanted to talk about the experiences and the amazing memories that I made and encourage you all to participate in this contest and in this program. So, what were my first expectations? Honestly, I thought maybe I wouldn't make any friends. Maybe I would not learn anything. Maybe the workshops wouldn't be engaging and I wouldn't quite connect. So, yes, but in my heart, I honestly knew I wanted to partake in this adventure. I wanted to experience this, and I'm so grateful that I felt this way because if not, I would have never tried out for this contest and experienced this life changing adventure. And so I'm just going to walk you through a bit of my experience. So when I first walked in, I felt welcomed because, yes, there was strange alarm music at 6 a.m. in the morning, and yes, there were huge lines at the sink and sometimes even fights for the shower, but I couldn't even describe to you in words how much knowledge I accumulated, how empowering that was, how eye-opening the workshops were. All the amazing things I learned about Canada's capital, Ottawa, and how I got to experience them through eating delicious beaver tails and seeing the Parliament building, and even going and visiting the Prime Minister's house. It was honestly so amazing. And but before I get on to that, the most memorable thing about this whole experience was the people that I met. I can now put a face to every province from coast to coast, from Nova Scotia to Alberta, and tell you that these are all my lifelong friends. And yes, we walked in as strangers. No one knew anybody, but when we walked out, we were family. And I know this is a bit hard to believe because it's only been a week. We've only known each other for 7 days, but these are your peers. They share the same interests with you, and you're with them from day to night, experiencing this breathtaking and amazing opportunity together. And the most memorable and cherished moment in my heart is being awake at 3 a.m., almost at tears. Of course, I was sobbing later, saying goodbye to all these friends that I made. And there is not enough money that I would pay now to go through this experience again. And this is why I encourage you so strongly to participate in this contest, because if you are like me and can't afford it, Learn Quebec is so generous that they're willing to offer it. And yes, you're investing a few moments, but these moments are worth it to experience this life-changing time of your life. So just to recap, I'm so thankful, and I really hope that you guys all get to experience the same experience. Thank you.